Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PatPat. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find this application of PatPat and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of PatPat. If you find update here, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your